Want to see captions while Gemini is talking? Or maybe you want to turn them off. Here's how to control captions in Gemini. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Now, go to Caption Preferences. Inside, you'll see the option called Show Captions. If the toggle is gray, captions are turned off. Turn it on, and it will change color. Now, you'll see captions appear while Gemini is speaking. This is useful if you're in a noisy place, or if you prefer reading along. You can turn it off anytime by tapping the toggle again. And that's how to show or hide captions in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.